it.
Oh no!
We had a blast on the Sea Otter Classic event though, so that's definitely money in the bank. The only thing is that the last day, which we wanted to shred the Santa Cruz trails and the flow trail, I wanted to check with my buddy Chuck and Roll here, but we have a bad weather. We're meeting some friends, Maria and Carlos and Clint and his wife and some guys, so just waiting for the rain to stop, rent some bikes, and then we're off on our way to the mountains, and hopefully it stops really soon. So we still got time. Our flight tonight is around 10 p.m. 10:40-ish p.m. our departure, but we just wanted to ride. We wanted to ride now
So bad.
Let's go. So bad. We're already all dressed up, all geared up.
Turned out that Specialized Rental Bikes had canceled our reservations because they wanted to protect the trails due to the rain. Called around other shops, but they were closed also. So we ended up here in the Santa Cruz Bicycle Showroom checking out their sweet bikes and hoping to ride their demo bikes before we head back to San Francisco. So this is how your carbon frame looks like in the inside.
So we're here in the Santa Cruz main showroom in Santa Cruz, California, and we ended up here hoping we can get a demo. So today again it rained out, and we were told, and no bike shop rentals are renting us any bikes because they're gonna close the parks for 24 hours. It is what it is. Right now the sun came out, but still they're protecting the trails out there. State Park is closed. We are done. It's a wrap. We're going back to New Jersey. Sad and heartbroken, but I think that's the story of our lives sometimes. Peace.
As we were driving back to San Francisco, my buddy Chuck had a brilliant idea. Why not bike San Francisco instead? The city and the Golden Gate Bridge. So that's what we're going to do.
Nice. Alright. We rented this bike. It's a pedal assist bike. We're having so much fun. You know, it's too windy and cold here in San Francisco. Nice. Is that Alcatraz? That's Alcatraz, right? That's Alcatraz. Alright, this is the marina. You guys can see this. Wow, nice. Rich people live here. Look at that. Rich people on the left side. Oh, look at that, check this out. Wow, that was crazy. Yeah! I hit that crazy drop. Look, that's how it landed. What? You think I'm not crazy? Hey, I better not fall here. Oh man, this can kick ass. Oh wow, this is so much fun, guys. I would recommend. So we rented this bike for like $89, but there's no insurance or something like that. So I don't know how it can, how much it all totally cost. But I think it's probably around around $100. Tax, I'm not sure. Probably like 110 each bikes. So I would recommend if you guys want to do this in a windy day. Right now it's like 50 degrees, so with the wind chill it's lower, but we are bundled up. All right, long uphill, so I'm on level 3 assist. All right, ooh, let's go, baby. Wee. Oh, baby, this can go fast. Max speed is 15.7. Right now we're on 12.2. Oh, look at that. Look at that view. Look at that view. And stop. All right. All right, going back to level assist 2. Look at that Alcatraz. 4 point. Wow, look at that, guys. Beautiful view. Beautiful view. Wow, this is hard to do a wheelie. This is the view. Look at that. Look at my yard. Alright guys, so that's our bike right there. Yo, Chucky, what could... Yo, Chucky!
Yeah, baby.
Hey guys, we're right now in San Francisco, the Golden Gate Bridge.
I am for sucker. I can't talk because of this stupid thing. Alright, this is full circle. This is where I landed in the US. Now I'm back again on this Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah, baby. So we just replaced mountain biking for this urban riding with our crazy e-bikes.
Rental e-bike.
Rental e-bikes, so much fun.
Yep.
It's just too windy and it's cold.
Yep.
So that's why we're wearing gloves. But hey, look at Chucky, he's already ready for it. That's crazy wind. Oh man. Woo! Going uphill, guys, going uphill. Woo! What happened? So we can't? So that gate was closed. So hopefully this one is open. Look at that bay, guys. Look at that. That's the beach too. Look at that to the right. Wow, beautiful scenery. See if they open this one. Yeah, oh yeah, this one is open. Now you're in trouble. Yeah. Alright, we gotta behave. It's okay. There's Alcatraz there in the middle. San Francisco, downtown area. We're going back. This is the Palace of Fine Arts. There you go. It's video, bro. It's video. Look. Oh, wow. Look at that.
How cool is that?
Look at that architecture. Wow. Look at that. Put it to 0 to at least it gives you friction. The famous Lombard. Ew. Come on, Chucky. No, man, it's like going downhill on a mountain bike. Yeah, the brakes is really holding on. Let's go, Utah. You see the brakes? You see the brakes? All right. There you go. I want to go up though. I want to go up. I think you can do it. Going the other way. Nice. Piece of cake. That's City Hall, guys. To the left, let's go. Nice. Oh wow, beautiful. City Hall. That's the City Hall, guys. Going in the sand. Whew. Wow. City Hall, guys. City Hall. And before the City Hall, you go here to the trees. Phew. 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 Something's going on here. Going up, going up. Yeah, Fisherman's Wharf is on the other side. Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is the Full House Park. Yeah, the Full House. Ah, the Full House Park.
So this is it, folks. We are done with our epic e-bike ride in the city of San Francisco. We biked the famous Golden Gate Bridge. We saw the Palace of the Fine Arts, rode down the famous Lombard Street, passed by the gold-trimmed City Hall, and strolled down the Full House Park area. Now we are going home, but please don't forget to like this video as it will really help this channel. Comment below if you have any questions, share and subscribe if you have not. Thank you for watching, and until the next video. God bless and peace!